This is our Series 1 Bridgeport. This unit is 2 horsepower. It can be wired 440 or 220. Currently it is wired 220. This unit has a 48-inch cable on it. This unit also has all new sleeves in the head for all the pulleys. All new bearings in the head have been changed. So this is a completely rebuilt head. This unit knocks off on the upstroke and on the downstroke. You can see it just knocked off on the upstroke. You can see it knocks off of these. All the stops move nice and clearly. See the pull goes all the way down, no issues, returns very nicely. It's just a speed changer plate that you're rattling in the head. All these old Bridgeports do that. As you can see, the feed engages and disengages nice and easy. Brake works nice. See, it switches gears really nicely. See here, we have 3 different feed rates to choose from. A, this is B, this is C. This is B, and this is A. Table goes from end to end really nicely. There's no binding or tight spots. Same thing, goes end to end very nicely. We show signs of a little bit of wear over on the ways, but there's not a lot of wear. It still goes from end to end without binding. As you can see, I can get it all the way back. The guards don't bind up or anything. As you can see, the ways on the back side are in nice shape too. There's just a little bit of wear in the middle, like I said. As you can see, the table comes all the way forward with ease. The knee goes up and down with ease. You can see it's going down. This is up. This unit also has a Bijur style single shot lubrication system, as you can see over there on the side, and it comes with a collet holder. This is our Series 1 Bridgeport.